microgreens. I want to encourage you to grow these baby leafy greens. Now here I've got some arugula or rocket, and these babies are just 5 days old. That's right, I only sowed them, these seeds, in this little punnet 5 days ago, and they've grown so fast that they're actually able to be harvested with some scissors already. Look at that. These are nutrient dense leafy greens. You can sow any organic or sprouting seeds such as herbs or vegetables. And this one, rocket, by name, by nature, it sprouted forth and germinated so quickly the next day. Now I actually used a moon calendar so that I could get the timing right. Let's take a look. I actually planted these on the 6th, which was an ideal time for sowing sprouts. And today it's the 10th, just 5 days later, and I've got healthy fast food ready to harvest. Now you can grow these too. Simply get the right kind of seeds that are fungicide free, ideally organic sprouting or microgreen seeds. Repurpose a little punnet like this with the holes already inside it there, so that you've got nice humidity. Look at all that moisture in the lid. And all you need is a spray bottle with water to keep your seed raising mix moist. And look at that, look at those roots. I'm just going to show you on the underside how well they've grown. Now I make my own seed raising mix. Look at that. There's over 100 or 200 little plants in there, and that is only in 10 square centimetres or about 4 square inches. Now that's intensive farming in a container. Once your microgreens have germinated inside the punnet, you'll see they start to actually hit the roof. So that's the time you need to open it up and let these little kids out into the big wide world. You'll see here, what I tend to do is just brush them lightly with my hand, and this emulates the wind, which helps to strengthen the stem. And as they're growing, this lid stays off now, and I'm going to move these out into full sun. You can see the little roots already in the bottom. Look at that. So it'll only be a few days, and soon these little ones are going to be at least another 5 centimetres or so up, or a couple of inches, and they'll be ready for harvest. It doesn't get easier than that. So give microgreens a go, and all you need is a pair of scissors to get snipping and enjoy the nutrient dense food in your meals.